I'm sure you've noticed that when you're scrolling through your social media feeds or even just YouTube, that it's the thumbnail that catches your eye and makes you want to click and watch the video. Hey everyone, it's Jackie from Wellshare. Welcome to the channel. Today's review is going to be about a product called Thumbnail Blaster. Thumbnails are the #1 factor that influence people to click and watch your videos, which means if you want more views on your videos, you need to have a killer thumbnail. The problem is most people waste a lot of time and money on freelancers to create their thumbnails, only to be disappointed with the end result. Or they try to do it themselves, but they don't have the time or the skills to create something professional looking. Which is why I created this Thumbnail Blaster review. So stick around to the very end to get a look at it in action. In the meantime, let's talk about what it is and what it isn't. Thumbnail Blaster is a product that I use constantly, not only for videos, but also as another income stream. Yes, you heard me right. You can have an additional income stream working from home by providing thumbnails to other content creators. Not only will you be able to provide great looking thumbnails, but you can also do it very quickly. And what's even better, you don't have to have any creative skills. So what exactly is Thumbnail Blaster? Well, technically, it's a cloud-based thumbnail creation app, which allows you to work from anywhere, anytime. But I like to call it my AI best friend. It was created for video content creators, email marketers, social media marketers, designers, SEO marketers. But basically anywhere you want to create a post or a video that catches someone's attention, you could use Thumbnail Blaster. I personally love the design flexibility because it's a drag and a drop design system. Or if you want more control, you can have that too. There are over 100 templates that you can use, or if you prefer to change something up on that template, you can do that as well. There are numerous design elements that are included, and you can upload directly to your specific YouTube video when you're done. There are also image filters, which allow you to change hues, transparency, and more, and it's unlimited creation. No more having to pay someone for every thumbnail. Create as many as you want or as many as you need. Have you ever wondered which one of your thumbnails would perform better? Well, now you can test it. Thumbnail Blaster has a built-in split testing feature. And if you're not sure if your thumbnail is going to get a thumbs down from YouTube, you don't have to worry about that any longer. Because again, it has a built-in AI feature that analyzes your thumbnail for any graphic or wording that might get red flagged. So we've talked about all the pros, but what about the cons? Well, there are a few things that you may not like. For one, they do try to upsell on products that may or may not benefit you in your situation. I personally have the agency upsell because it's an additional income stream. Each upsell has different benefits and you're going to need to figure out which one is better for you. They also like to spam your email frequently. Now, typically I find that to be a pain in the neck. However, they are always coming out with something new, so you might want to check out those emails. If not, just unsubscribe from the emails. And since this is a cloud-based program, you're going to need to have an internet connection. And that's typically not an issue, but if you decide to go camping in the mountains and you have no signal, well, you're out of luck. So just put your laptop away and go enjoy the day. To top it all off, Thumbnail Blaster has a great support team that really cares if you succeed. And if you're unhappy, they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now, here's that peek at Thumbnail Blaster in action that I promised you earlier.
If you ever uploaded a video and got no traffic, this will fix that. According to YouTube, the #1 factor that influences people to click to watch a video is the thumbnail. And our tests prove that a good thumbnail will increase your views and traffic by up to 300%. Check out the increase in views that we got after testing a new custom thumbnail for this video. Or for this video. Or the traffic increase that I saw on my website. Creating breathtaking thumbnails that triple your views and traffic with Thumbnail Blaster is a piece of cake. For this example, I will go with this video. All you have to do is click on Next, and as you can see, the artificial intelligence algorithm analyzed our video and suggested us these 3 thumbnail templates. In this case, I will go with this thumbnail. It looks great. Click on Load Template, and that's it. Thumbnail Blaster extracted our title, downloaded the original thumbnail, and customized the whole template for us. If we want, we can simply use it as it is and save it. But let me show you how powerful our editor is. That's it. The thumbnail looks stunning. Let's save this and publish it to YouTube. There it is. The thumbnail that we just created in a few seconds is now published and active on our YouTube video. Just take a look on how it looked before and how it looks now. Amazing, right? You see, it's that easy to triple your click-through rate, your views, and your traffic. Start using custom thumbnails on your current and future uploads, and I'm sure you will see a massive spike in views and traffic. If you want to find out more about Thumbnail Blaster, just click the link below and check out all the amazing templates that we have and the other amazing features.
I hope you enjoyed the demo from Thumbnail Blaster, and I'm sure that you figured out that I'm giving it the thumbs up. It really is a time and a money saver, and it's so easy to use. At the time of this video, Thumbnail Blaster was running a special sale where you could get it for 70% off. That's just $37. But that price could change, so grab it while you can. I hope that you do give it a try because I think you're going to love it as much as I do. I've included the link to the website in the description below, so go check it out for yourself. Thanks for stopping by WellShare, where we try to provide you with products that will help you reach financial freedom, because it is all possible. Just don't stop dreaming. Just dream bigger. If you liked the video, make sure to give us a quick like and subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one.